At AirVenture 2014 in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, Continental Motors unveiled its latest engine. It's a 6-cylinder diesel power plant with 310 horsepower. The engine has already flown in the company's Altenburg, Germany test facility, and here in Oshkosh, Rhett Ross gave us some additional information on the engine and the company's plans to market it.
So the CD300 is our newest series of diesel engine products aimed at the premium aircraft market. The first version will be at 310 horsepower, and we look forward to others in a higher range. It is an auto-derivative engine, but it is starting to deviate from our history of focusing on an exclusive automotive basis. This engine is not a clean sheet design from the core engine components. However, it will be, by the time we're done, it will be a clean sheet production engine. We're shifting more to our vertical manufacturing model as opposed to the horizontal manufacturing model that was employed on the 100 series. This particular engine variant in the 300 series, it's largely at 310 is going to be its peak. We are evaluating a 350 plus horsepower variant. The issues that we're looking at with that variant include fundamentally, is there a market for it? Would there be enough to support the heavy investment in going up that high? Realistically, we want to see if there's going to be cabin class level aircraft that would come down the pipeline that could use it. We do see a market potential, at least from our standpoint, but we've got to see that market pull from the OEMs to really justify it. One of the things that we've done is we look at the different environments with the modern CAD/CAM, computer-aided modeling and design systems, is we can actually take from the OEMs their cowling structure, their engine frame firewall structure, and start to look at and make sure that as we design the engine, are we making sure we're meeting CG requirements? Are we making sure that we're avoiding interferences? Can they simplify their own adoption of the engine into the airframe? And what we've found is that process is working very well and exciting the OEMs, and it's shortening our own development because we're finding that we have less and less customization to do as we look at a specific installation. The weight on this engine dry, as measured, 562 pounds. One thing I'd stress to the market is what they should really be asking us to do, rather than worrying about the overhaulability, is but start thinking about this like a turbine. We want to see the TBR go up, their value proposition over time. So if we can get there, we want to see something not just stopping at 2,000, not just stopping maybe at 2,400, but going up over time, which, you know, at the end of the day means we're less worried about overhauling something and more worried about we got great value, we're going to send it back to the factory and get another one the same way.